yes, peeps, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is like a Jamaican living in Cayman. You know what I'm saying? It's Sunday morning early. Yep, it's after 6 now. Just checking my bus tire to see if I'm alright. And it's flat. Yep. Alright, so off to the work. Yeah, it's even though it's Sunday morning. At work, see you man. Yep. Sunday to Sunday. Go to work. That is it, peeps. Yeah. Yeah, so show you how things set up. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta work. Yeah. Yes, peeps. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So as I say, Sunday morning, 6:36 now, and I'm off to work straight to the evening, even though it's Sunday. Yeah. And Sunday in Cayman, most people don't work, and it's essential workers, but I have to work, so stick and stay with me. I'm showing you what I go on. Life of a Jamaican living in Cayman. Yeah. Ain't no pretty, no. Ain't no pretty at all. Ain't no pretty, no. Ain't no pretty, yeah. It ain't easy, yeah. Work it ain't easy at all. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Boom. Something this morning, a lot of people in pink. I don't know, I guess it has something to do with some cancer thing now. Yeah. So it's Sunday morning, a lot of people come out to support. Yes, but I am on my way to work on a Sunday morning. Yeah, a lot of people go. People come out. Surprised I don't see any police. Yep. So stick and stay with me. So yes, babes, going to stop and get some water first because I don't have enough water. Yep. So just check out the view here. It's a waterfront. The early morning here before the sun come up, just before the sun come up. Look at it. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. This beautiful Caribbean. That is it. What a beauty. Spectacular. Yeah. So just stick and stay with me as I'm taking up on a journey. Yeah. Life of a Jamaican living in Cayman Islands. Yeah. As I say, it's early Sunday morning. Yep. And now we're doing some work. Yeah. So stick and stay, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Yes. Watch a video, subscribe. Subscribe now, man. It don't cost anything to subscribe. You don't have to enter your credit card or nothing like that to subscribe. You just click the subscribe button. Just subscribe. Subscribe, please subscribe. Down, stick and stay. So I say I don't have enough water. So if I get some water. And this is where I get water by the church. So the gate is not locked. Yeah. Yep. And this is how they do it in Cayman. You not have the pipe. Nobody else can use it. You locked it. Yeah, that is it. This is it. So I have water, but I need some more water. That water isn't enough, so I need enough more water. Yeah. I need some more water. Mr. Tips, stick and stay with me. You know what I say? Yeah, on a journey. Life of a Cayman, life of a Jamaican living in Cayman Island. Yeah, so stick and stay. No go nowhere. On fire, on fire. Yeah, early morning I bring all my tea with me and food. Bring tea, food, water, juice. You have to bring everything. As I know when I reach home back. Yeah. Sometimes on Sundays work like half day or so. Sometimes work the whole day. Yeah, work 7 days a week from Sunday to Sunday. I don't know if I make it best side. Yeah. Yeah, drink some good old mint tea. No milky tea, some good old mint tea. Yeah. But that we used to from there Jamaica. Mint tea, bush tea. And trust me, tea extremely hot. I don't drink it, but too hot. I'll burn up my mouth. Okay, so the stick on. See there? That's water, isn't it? That's a lot of water. So, turn off the pipe. Got enough water now. So that's enough. That's enough. That's enough water for today. That's enough water for today. So push the hose into the tank. we'll do it. So, like I say, so off I'm gonna to this lady that wait for me tell her 6 o'clock, but 6 o'clock was very dark and I'm check it out. Yeah, Sunday morning. Everybody get up that early. So even though I said 6, I didn't leave at that time because it was quite early and it's Sunday morning and she alone live on, it's not a house but she alone live at the house. It's like a complex, a gated community. I know she alone live there. So I forgot there at this time. Almost 7. Yeah. I don't go there too early. So on the way now. Give her a call. Make sure I say she up and waiting for me. Yeah. So stick and stay with me. Yes, peeps, reach my destination. Yeah. This is the Kia. I'm going to clean. So let me turn my back so I don't make a lot of noise at the people in the head. Right behind me. There's a tree right behind me. Yeah. Yes, yes. So this is the Kia. I call her back now, I'm downstairs. Yeah, so this is the Kia, so dirty. So I'm gonna match it up quick and fast. So see, building, yeah. Okay. So yes, peeps. Yes, and I got me a pier, local pier, Cayman pier. It is like, yeah, and pier are very expensive in Cayman because the other day somebody was selling me a pier, one pier like this, $12. $12. That's exactly like roughly about nearly $16, nearly $15, $16 US for one single pier. And if though it's not mango season, I got a mango also. Yeah, give me soda. I'm not a soda person, but you know, then I give me something to drink. Yeah, but I'm more grateful for the pears. Oh, that's it. Pear is expensive. Yeah, see, I have my food. I bring my food with me. Yeah, so I'm very grateful for the pear. But I said, this is Cayman and pear is very expensive in the Cayman Islands. Yeah, but they don't plant a lot of enough local produce to supply the country, not like Jamaica. So when I get local produce, to find local produce is very expensive. Yeah. So I'm just getting ready, everything. Okay, hold on to the phone call. Hello? So yes, peeps. So I'm vacuum. Yeah. So the vacuum call first I'll vacuum the vehicle first. Yeah. So as I say, it is this here. Yes, not extremely dirty as usual still. Not all that dirty. Yeah, it's a bit of dirt because I should go to the farm with it. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Lock, open. Open. Oh. It's not automatic. You know what I'm used to? The back of the vehicle normally be automatic, you just press that and open. I was expecting that, but it's not that. Oh boy. Yeah, so stick and stay. We mash up the vehicle here. We mash it up, but not literally mash it up, but deal with it quick and fast. Yes, babes. So check this out now. So now it's time to wash the van. So stick and stay with me. Sunday morning, gonna give me a problem. Got the gun. The gun is leaking, I have to change the gun. Trouble already. So yes, babes, the vehicle is done now, clean and shiny. Yeah, so one down, couple more to go. As I said, it's a Sunday, so you know, it's a Sunday morning. Yeah, clean just like that. Look at it. Yeah, so clean, very clean. Yeah, and look what I found just beside the vehicle. There's some sorossi here, and I don't know if you know sorossi. It's a sorossi. Yeah, this is sorossi. So I'm gonna pick some sorossi, a bush. It's a bitter bush like. Yeah. Good for pain in my belly and good for all the things, but I like sorossi still. Not too much. I'm saying not to drink too much. So I drink like a 3 morning. Yeah, so I'm go get some sorossi. Yeah, I'm gonna say real sorossi. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so stick with me. Yeah, and then Sunday morning, yeah, I'm the car now. On the journey with me, I call a lady to come for the key. So stick and stay. One fire, whole fire. Yes, babes, leaving this location to go to another location. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, one fire, all fire. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah. Yep. So Yeah, put on my shades now because sun bright now. I'm kind of hard to look at the sun again. So yeah, you know what I say? Don't go away. Watch the video. Yeah, help me reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Yeah, that is it. Life of a Jamaican in the Cayman Islands. That is it. So here's people still up on the work. Yep. You want to hold fire 777 up on it same way. Just do 3 more. And guess what? Rain is falling. So I'm heading out of town to another side of the island. The other side is called North Side. So hopefully the rain isn't falling there. Well, the customer never say anything about rain falling there, so yeah, hopefully the rain not fall there. See it there? That is it, rain not fall. Yes, Sunday at Grand Cayman. But the work must go on. Work have to go on. So stick and stay with me. I've made to North Side. Heading from the rain. Yeah. One fire, whole fire. Yes, babe, so actually there's no rain on this side. See? The road is dry. Dry road in front of me. No rain. So we'll leave the rain behind now. So we'll leave the rain behind now. Yeah. So we're heading into North Side to do some more work. Yeah, and it's after 12 now. 7 minutes to 1. Yeah, so stick and stay with me as we head to North Side. Yes, babes. Oh, yeah, beautiful Caribbean. This is the Caribbean, and as we say, this is life. Let's show you the life today. Of a Jamaican living in Cayman and working. Yeah, on a Sunday when most people resting. But you see, work must go on, you know. Yeah. Yeah, look at this car about to overtake now. Look how fast it is to overtake. Yeah. I'm overtake because apparently I'm not going fast enough. As I'm just cruising. Yeah, I'm just cruising, not driving fast. Yeah. As I ain't no hurry. You just stick and stay with me. Watch where I go on. That is it. Yeah, I'm gonna show up here how beautiful the Caribbean Sea is. No place like the Caribbean. I never get tired of seeing stuff like this in the waves and here in the ocean. So beautiful. Breathtaking. Look at it. Just breathtaking. Yeah. So as I say, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Subscribe! Yeah. don't watch the video, subscribe to it, you get me say? Help me reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Yes, one fire, all the fire. Love what to do? Do what you love and do it to the best of your ability. That is it. Stick and stay. Yes, babes, we are in the country part of Cayman now. This is north side. And this is the high school over there. Yeah. The fire station right there, Frank Sound. Fire station. Yeah. I was gonna say this is a country spot, like a lot of farming, then do a lot of farming up here. Yeah. So we are in north side. Yeah, new apartment complex over here, so that is it. So this is the street heading on to. This is the street. Yeah. So I was gonna say this is like the countryside of north side, country part of Cayman, I should say. Yeah. So almost reached. It's a good little drive. Come up here. As I say, leave the rain back in town. No rain up this side, even though the sky kind of cloudy. So hopefully I don't pass and leave the rain up here too. Yeah. You see, this is more the countryside. This yard I'm going to, so the yard, mango tree, cane. This is like a real country. Coconut, you have everything here, so plantain, banana. Yeah, this is real country. That is it. So not a big van if I deal with. And probably something else, so just stick and stay with me. One fire, all the fire. So yes, peeps, I'm on all the fire 777 there. Just finish up that one here. Yep. Just finish up the big van here. You can see. So you look now. All clean. Big van clean. Yeah. So as I was saying, it's another Sunday. Yeah. Most people not working on Sunday. I have to work on Sunday. Is it? So just stick and stay with me. I'm save my name for the rest of the day. So, I have a Jamaican living in Cayman. No say nothing. Soon coming up again. So yes, peeps, ready for the road again. Take on the road again. It's after 3. And we're working from after 6. So let's see. Me get no more call first of the day. Yeah. Let's see. As I say, today is Sunday, but the road have to take on. So I leave north side there now, heading back to West Bay. No, heading to Georgetown first, then I go to West Bay. So stick and stay with me. You hear me I say? Life of a Jamaican living in Cayman ain't not normal. Ain't not pretty, no. Ain't not pretty at all. You get me I say? Because everything expensive in Cayman. Yep. As a quint rent. You get me I say? Yeah. So what? Such is life. Grateful. Yeah, so we have life. So we have life and there I can work. You get me I say? Enough people can work and we love to work. Yeah. Yeah. You would see on the previous video I go to Jamaica and link up on youth name When look at youth in endurance, so we know a long time. Where him could have walk and everything, but all of a sudden him just cripple up. You know, so we have to give thanks. When I have legs and he can move up and down. Even though we're rough, yeah. The hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory. So we have to go and fight it. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and most and foremost, subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe! Woo! What am I saying for do? Subscribe. So, we're leaving outside now. Check out it. When you pull out and slowly in front of me, then people that drive real messed up. You know what I say? Him pull out and pull out slow in front of me. You could have waited till I pass then. Oh Lord. Anyway, stick and stay with me. On the road. Dep on the road again, it's a Sunday. So yes, peeps, I was just passing and you know, couldn't just pass up. What I see, it is just too beautiful for me just to pass it. So I'm going to pull over and take in the view here for a minute, you know. It's just breathtaking. Look at it. Just look at that. You have no mind, nothing on your mind that bother you, no problems. When you sit down and look on this, trust me, all your problems just, you know, like you forget about it. Look at this. Just beautiful. Not true. This is just spectacular. Yeah. This is just spectacular. Look at it. I have to get a picture from a thumbnail. Jano. Beautiful. Yeah man, just beautiful. Up on the wave. I forgot all the way down there. I forgot way down there. And I say, yeah. So I love the Caribbean, man. John, no star. Nearest big city, I'll get a view here. Look on it. Yeah. Look at that. Just look at it. Beautiful, not true? Yeah, man. Yeah, you're rushing at the waves and the water. Just breathtaking. Yeah. No place like the Caribbean. Get me I say? Yeah. Even though it's sun and the sun a beat in my face like kete jump. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. One fire, all fire. Do what you love and love what you do and do it to the best of your ability. That is it. Out. Peace.